Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Because they will be cold, they will likely need to bake a little longer. Can frozen chicken wings be baked? Never cook meat from a frozen state, always thaw first. Because you will be parboiling these anyway, you can thaw them quickly in cold water, then parboil them.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Use cold water. This should take 2 to 3 hours. To use this method, place the chicken in a leak-proof plastic bag. This will stop the water from damaging the meat tissue as well as any bacteria from infecting the food.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.